Hello everybody, this is Chef Shweta from Gourmet Gems and welcome back to another delicious creation. If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably seen this trending cake taco everywhere. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to give it a try. But at the same time, I was curious. Is this really a practical dessert or is it simply one of those trends that look amazing online? Well, today we are going to find out together. I started by baking a rich chocolate sponge cake and sliced it into 3 even layers. Out of those, I selected one layer that was perfect for making the taco shell. Before moving ahead, I brushed the cake with sugar syrup to keep it soft, moist, and full of flavor. The next step is what makes this dessert so unique. I placed the cake on a sheet of butter paper and spread a layer of melted chocolate underneath in a circular shape. This chocolate isn't just there to make the dessert more delicious, it actually helps strengthen the cake. Once the chocolate sets, it becomes firm enough to support the taco shape without breaking. Now comes the most challenging part of the entire recipe. Using two water bottles as supports, I carefully placed the butter paper with the cake between them so it naturally formed a beautiful taco curve. This sounds simple, but trust me, it takes patience. You have to make sure the cake doesn't crack, slide, or lose its shape while the chocolate hardens. This is definitely the step where you need to slow down and let the chocolate do its job. After a little waiting, the chocolate had completely set and the cake was holding its taco shape beautifully. Seeing it stand perfectly on its own was honestly the most satisfying part of this whole experiment. Now it's time for my favorite part, the filling. I piped a generous layer of silky dark chocolate ganache into the taco shell, making sure every bite would be rich and chocolatey. Then I added a combination of crushed dry fruits and powdered dry fruits for a delicious crunch and a little extra flavor in every bite. To finish it off, I sprinkled plenty of double chocolate chips over the top. After all, when you're making a chocolate dessert, there's always room for more chocolate. Finally, I placed the cake taco into the refrigerator for about 1 hour so everything could set properly. This step helps the ganache become firm and keeps the entire dessert stable before serving. And just like that, our trending cake taco is ready. Now, after making this dessert, here's my opinion. I absolutely love how unique and eye-catching it looks. It's fun, creative, and definitely something that will impress anyone who sees it. But if you ask me whether I'd make it regularly, I'd probably say no. I feel it's more of a one-time experience because the biggest challenge is maintaining that perfect taco shape throughout the process. It requires patience, careful handling, and a little bit of practice. Still, I really enjoyed recreating this viral trend and I love experimenting with desserts that challenge my creativity. Sometimes it's not just about the final result, it's about learning something new and having fun in the kitchen. So, what do you think? Would you give this cake taco a try? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts.